The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. At around 2 a.m. Central Standard Time, unknown dog-like creatures were roaming around the streets of Meridian Street. It is unknown if these dog-like creatures are hostile and cause any harm to anyone. You should at this time lock all doors and windows. If you are driving, complete your journey. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The police are still trying to investigate the identity of these dog-like creatures. It is still unknown if these dog-like creatures are hostile. You should at this time lock all doors and windows. Turn off heating and air conditioning systems. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. If you are driving, complete your journey. Otherwise, seek shelter in a building. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation. Message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. At around 4:01 p.m., police have now identified the dog-like creatures. These dog-like creatures have the following characteristics: a head in the shape of a flower with sharp spikes, has sharp claws and teeth, extremely strong in muscle mass. These dogs are known as Demodogs. All residents are advised to seek shelter in your homes. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. At around 3 a.m. Central Standard Time, the vicious dogs, now known as the Demodogs, have been killing residents by biting and scratching them. These dogs are also resistant to firearms. However, they'll use something with fire to destroy these Demodogs.
They are also very strong and have keen eyesight and can smell blood from miles away. All residents are advised to seek shelter and not go outside. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. All instructions will follow. We interrupt our regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. All TV and radio stations are subjected to bring you this message. All normal programming has been suspended to participate in the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The Demodogs continue to attack residents, killing them instantly. They have also broken down windows and attacked families while they were asleep. The US military is considering using nuclear weapons to destroy these Demodogs. All residents are heavily advised to seek a fallout shelter. Fallout causes radiation and radioactive particles to float around. Please seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you have a fallout shelter in your area, go there now. Otherwise, seek shelter in a nearby building. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies that includes medication, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio. If you don't have a battery-powered radio, take a hand-crank-powered radio with you instead. Use one vehicle per family, and tie a bright towel or cloth to let authorities know that you are evacuating. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Evacuate now. This is an emergency action notification. All TV and radio stations will be notified to bring you this alert. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The President has decided to use nuclear weapons to destroy the Demodogs for good. Seek a fallout shelter now. Prepare for light, heat, shockwave blast, and fallout particles. It is too late to seek shelter. Now prepare for light, heat, shockwave blast, and fallout radiation particles. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The Demodogs have all been killed. The success of using nuclear weapons has successfully killed all Demodogs. But however, though, there is significant damage around the area. Together as a nation we will rebuild our country to its original state. The radiation has all cleared up and is completely gone. You may exit your shelters at this time. Normal programming may now resume at this time. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. All instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The Demodogs have somehow managed to come back to life and more dangerous and stronger now. There is about 1 billion Demodogs roaming around the streets. There is nothing humans can do to stop these creatures. The use of nuclear weapon has failed. You are advised to gather with friends and family and pray your final moments on Earth. We will now play the national anthem for the final time. Goodbye, everyone.